Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1007 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Okay, so the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, we just have to wait until everything are set before we can proceed. And once this search bar is ready, you can please type for HP space LaserJet space P1007 printer space driver. Once you've typed it, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So at the result, you can see there a first result which is under support.hp.com, which is the official website of HP LaserJet. All you need to do is you need to click on it, and the moment you do it, wait until you are being navigated to this new window where you can see the HP LaserJet P1007. So here, you just have to, since our operating system, which is Windows 11, is not being detected, it will be here Windows 10 64-bit. Anyway, they have similar OS, okay? So that's completely fine. So by here, we just have to scroll down. Anyway, they are the same. Okay, so no worries for that. So by here, you can select your software and drivers. Now click on this down arrow and you would be able to see basic drivers. Please click this down arrow under basic drivers and please scroll down. And under the basic drivers, you would be able to see there the HP LaserJet, which is P1001 to P1500, meaning that our P1007 is being included in this basic driver. So by that, you can see there a download option aligning to it. Please click on this download and eventually it will now start on the downloading. So it says here done. All you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it in folder. And once you do it, you will be redirected to this new window where you can see allocation where our application is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to move that here from the download to the desktop. So by that, click this cut icon. And the moment you have clicked on it, please close the window as well as this. And here, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have moved it here, we need to extract this application or file. So by that, please do a right click. Okay, and from here in this window, please scroll down, choose this, and go with extract to. The moment you do it, eventually it will be extracted. Okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed to our next step. Our next step would be you need to proceed at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that and look for an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please scroll down and locate for devices. And here at the devices section, you need to scroll down once again and look for more devices and printer settings. So in this window, which is the devices and printers, you can see there an option called add a printer at the upper left side of that. Please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to show up this window. Please click on the printer that I want isn't listed. And please choose add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. And please click on next. And from here, you need to click this down arrow and use the existing port among of these three, which are USB 001, 002, and 003. In my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next and go with have disk, click on browse. So we need to browse to the desktop, then we need to navigate it here since our extracted file is being placed here and proceed to our LaserJet P1007 and our driver is here. Please double tap to it so that it will be placed here. Once you're good, click on OK, and it will be available here, which is HP LaserJet P1007. So click on Next, and it will be added here. Click on Next, and it will now installing the printer. So we just have to wait for a while. And if you would like to allow for printer sharing, you can turn this on. If you don't like that, please turn this on, which is do not share this printer. In my case, I'm allowing printer sharing. So click on Next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. And in my case, I'll leave that unchecked. Once you're good, click on Finished, and that's it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1007 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.